In nutrition in living organisms. Today we will learn about how do plants obtain nitrogen. Plants produce carbohydrates by the process of photosynthesis. Carbohydrates are made from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Proteins are made from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Now we know how do plants obtain the nitrogen necessary for the synthesis of proteins. Air contains gaseous nitrogen. However, plants cannot utilize gaseous nitrogen. It needs to be fixed, example, converted into compounds. Fixation of nitrogen occur by biological and atmospheric methods. Biological fixation of nitrogen. Two different types of microorganisms can bring about biological nitrogen fixation. Root nodules of leguminous plant contain the rhizobium microorganisms. These microorganisms absorb atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into its nitrate, a compound. Microorganisms like Azotobacter are present in soil. They also convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Symbiotic nutrition. In some cases, two or more than two different types of plants live together to fulfill their needs of nutrition, protection, support, etc. with each other's help. These types of nutrition is called symbiotic nutrition. Some fungi grow around the roots of some other plants. These plants supply nutrients to the fungi, and in turn fungi supply minerals and water to the plants. Some fungi and algae live together. The fungi provides water, minerals as well as shelter to algae. In return, the algae provide food to the fungi. Lichen is an example of a symbiosis between algae and fungi. Heterotrophic plant. Heterotrophic plants do not contain chlorophyll. The plants that grow on the body of other plants to obtain food are called as parasitic plants. In this picture, you can see a yellow wire-like leafless climber plant growing on a big tree. It is a parasitic plant. Due to the absence of chlorophyll, the cuscuta is completely dependent on the host plant. Hence, it is said to be a completely parasitic plant. Insectivorous plants. We can see how some plants feed upon insect to obtain nutrients. This insectivorous plant generally grow in soil or water. Deficient in nitrogen compounds. The plant body of the Drosera burmani has a flower-like appearance. It grows close to the ground. Its leaves are attractively pink or red in color with hairs at the margin. Droplets of a sticky substances found at the tip of the hair attract insect. The scientist Johannes Burman identified this plant in Sri Lanka in 1737. Hence, the plant is named after him. Saprophytic plant. Plants which obtain the food from dead and decaying bodies of other organisms are called saprophytic plant. Various types of fungi like mushrooms and yeast are saprophytics. Fungi secrete digestive enzymes on the dead remains to digest or break down the carbon compounds they contain. The resulting solution is absorbed to obtain nutrients. Role of nutrients and effects of their deficiency on plants are seen in this table.